welcome back to Try and Test It. In this episode, I'm gonna talk about a new feature that I've tested out in Dynamics Customer Engagement, which is the ability to create an email quote PDF. So I'm really have mixed feelings about this new feature. Firstly, I'm really excited because the ability to generate and attach a PDF report in an email with a click of the button is one of the very in-demand requirement from clients that I've gotten over the last 10 years of implementing Dynamics CRM. In those days, Dynamics Customer Engagement today. And because we do not have this feature, right? So we always have to custom build it, and is a lot of work. And there's also we encountered some problems because of the timeout issue. It's not easy to download and attach on an email within a 2 minutes time frame, especially if the file is large. And sometimes we have problems where it just goes round and round and round and round trying to churn out the report and attach, and just goes timeout and the customer had to regenerate it again. So I'm really happy that we finally have this feature in Dynamics, but I'm also a bit sad that we can only do it at quote records in a moment. Like we can't generate this in other parts or other entities in Dynamics, but it's a good start. And I really hope that Microsoft will extend this feature to other entities because it'll be really useful. So because of that, I've also included a suggestion in Dynamics Ideas, and I've included in the link below. So please help me vote for it because I think that this would be really useful for a lot of customers. So let's look at the overview of this requirement, of these features and function. So firstly, it only applies to Dynamics 365 CE apps version 9.1 above and is available in Sales Hub. So anything below version 9.1, you actually don't see these features. It's only available for quote records, so you can't do it in other areas or other entities in Dynamics at the moment. You have to enable it at organization level, so it's available for all users in the system, and only system administrator can enable this. So the PDF is actually converted from the Word templates, both system and personal. So this is really good because out of the box, the system Word template, you can't actually modify it. So you can't actually modify the wordings or the aesthetic of the system Word templates that's available. So if you want something more personalized, you can create your own Word template, and you can still use the button, like the feature, to actually generate it as a PDF and attach it to the email. So I'll show this shortly later. And the last one is that the time taken to generate the document and send it and attach and send in the email is depending on the size of the file. So Microsoft recommended that to get the optimum performance, the file size has to be less than 2 meg. That is 2 meg is pretty big for a quote actually. I don't think a quote will be bigger than 2 meg unless you have added a lot of other attachment to the quote and created your own personal template. But the out of the box system quote template is probably just a page or two, if I'm not wrong. Yep, I think it's just a page, yes. And any file bigger than that, it will require more time for it to be generated. So now let's quickly just go to the system, and I'll show you how to enable it. and how to use it. So first of all, now I'm actually in my Sales Hub now, so I will just go to the app settings. So you only can do this as a system administrator. So under sales administration, there's something called PDF generation. So if you are not in version 9.1 above, you'll not see this. So make sure you're on the correct version, and just enable this. By default it's disabled, but I already have mine enabled. Once you're done this, just click apply, and you should able to see the button email PDF and create PDF in quotes. So now let's go to the quote. So the quote is in the sales area. So it's applicable for the active quote and draft quote. To do it, you have to click into the record itself. I'll just go to the active quote, and here I have the create PDF and email as PDF. So to automatically attach it as in the email, the PDF in the email, to generate and attach, you have to go to email PDF. And here you can see I have 3 codes. So the first 2 here is the system generated code, and the last one here is the my code. And if you go to the word template, you can see it there as well. So if you want your own personalized code, you can create a word template and then upload it, and you can use it. So how I do it, I say it's just with a click of a button. So you want to send a quote summary to for this customer, I just click quote summary, and it will automatically open the email with the quote summary attached. Then all I need to do is modify the email and send it to the customer. So it's really simple. It's just one click. It's just freaking amazing. So like I mentioned, I really hope this feature is extended to other entities in Dynamics, because I think that it will be really useful for customers, especially if they're able to generate reports of leads or opportunities of cases, and can automatically attach it as on the email and send it to either internal or external to their clients, etc. So if you are on the same page with me and you want this to be made available, please click on the link below and vote for my idea. In the meantime, happy CRMing and bye!